In this example, first we will register company as a supplier, say Emeritus company as a supplier. Then we transfer fund to the company for getting tickets as deposit. Then we issue ticket from our software. Say we have a different kind of customers like domestic transport or international. So domestic with tax 15% tax, international with ticket 0% tax. So here in the software, we can go to address book and create the customer. Sorry, supplier. So we'll make a credit supplier and enter the company name. And here you can enter the tax number of that company. Sorry, here. Here we created the supplier, credit supplier. Now we can transfer some fund to the company. So what you can do, create voucher payment. You can make a payment, say advance payment. So you can use this voucher. Just click it. And here mention the payment method, either cash or bank. So select the company and enter the amount. Say 10,000 real I'm transferring as a deposit. Submit. Then next, next you can issue ticket. You can go to create voucher, sales, and here select customer type, either cash or credit, and company name you can mention. Then payment method I select cash. So this domestic transport with 15% tax. Here you can see, and we mentioned service charge 50. So we'll add another row. This is also taxable. Okay. Then I click on submit. So it will generate an invoice. You can download the PDF. Like this. Okay. So here mentioned the details of the service, that is for 500 real, which is a domestic ticket with a 15% VAT, and the service charge 50 real with a 15% VAT, total 57. So altogether this is the total amount. Now, okay, this mentioned 500. This is another one we mentioned. This is international transport. So just go here or make another invoice. Create voucher, sales. So this is 0% tax. So it changed to 0. Again, I added 50 real service charge. Submit. So this line item don't have any service charge. First one. The first line item don't have any charges. Sorry, tax. It is zero. And the second one having 15% tax. So now if you go to reports, profit and loss, so it is showing profit 1,600 because we did not mention any purchase. So you can make a purchase once they issue invoice. You can make the purchase invoice. So create voucher. Next is you make purchase. Mention Emirates. Okay. So there is a deposit of 10,000. Now we created two tickets. One is domestic. They will give you invoice as it is you enter in the system. So one ticket is domestic, that is 500 real with VAT. The another ticket we purchase international, okay, that is 1,000 real. And this is with zero tax. So this amount you have to pay uh, to the this Emirates company. So if you look now, so your net profit is 100 real. This to 50-50 you got. You have a purchase of 1,500 and sales of 1,600. So you look trial balance. You see this. You have sales 1,600 sales and purchase 1,500. Okay, and you have a tax liability of 75. Sorry, this input debit balance is credit. Okay, so the difference you have to pay. And here we have balance closing balance with this company, airlines company, with 8,425. You can see the statement of this company if you click. See this 10,000 we deposit, then we minus two ticket price with VAT, one with VAT, one without VAT. So you can see this. This is the balance. Then click here and see. See here sales we have 1,600, purchase we have 1,500, and tax we have 75. On purchase tax on purchase, tax on sales 90. And the Emeritus company, now the balance is 8,425. And we have a cash balance of this much, like this. If you look reports, tax report, take quarter two. This quarter we have one purchase, which is 75 real tax scale. Okay, for tax is 1500 and 75 real. This 500 real having a tax, so 75. And here we have sales, but this including the service charge for 550. So this is a tax on that 550, and this is another sales 1050. That's 50 is the service charge, 1000 is the ticket. So only 50 having VAT. So this is the summary. Taxable sales 600. Like this. So we have to pay 15 real as a tax.